Welcome to my channel. Today I will prepare a traditional Bengali recipe called Ilish begun or Hilsa Brinjal or eggplant. It's a side dish that is served in the main meals along with hot steamed rice. Since Hilsa is a costly fish, it is cooked to commemorate special occasions, festivals, and ceremonies. Because of its soft flesh, fantastic taste, and nice aroma, we Bengalis call it the king of all fishes. We cook Hilsa generally during monsoon, season of Hilsa. Please watch till the end as I give many tips or recommendations, explanations, and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe and bell icon so that you get notification when I post a new video. Please make this recipe at home, share this recipe with your friends and family members. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. Heat mustard oil 6 tablespoons. Heat it till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. I have diced brinjal or eggplant, 1 large, about 6 cups with skin. Drop the diced eggplant or brinjal into the oil. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat till brown. Add more oil if required. Add sunflower oil 6 tablespoons. If we want to use mustard oil, make sure the oil is preheated and fumed. The brinjal is cooked. It is brown. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add mustard oil 10 tablespoons in a pan again. Heat the oil till it fumes. Add bay leaf 1. Dry red chilies 2 split into 2. Kalu jire or nigella seeds half teaspoon. Cumin half teaspoon. Crushed cumin half teaspoon or cumin powder half teaspoon. And crushed coriander seeds half teaspoon or coriander powder half teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 1 cup, optional. Fry in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. The cumin and coriander seeds are crushed with mixture and grinder till nearly powder. I like it this way than powder. If we are using powder cumin and coriander seeds powder, then use them with turmeric and chili powder. Tip: always fry masala in low heat. If the oil is very hot, then switch off the gas, wait for the oil to cool and then add masalas, otherwise they might get burnt. When the onion is translucent, add ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for another 3 minutes. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 minute. Add water 2 cups. Cover the pan with a lid. Cook in high heat for 7 minutes. This is done to cook the masala. Optional. Brinjal is already fried and hilsa does not take time to cook. After 7 minutes, open the lid. This is how the curry looks. I have hilsa, one large, about 10 pieces cut into circles. The cutting of the fish and brinjal are shown at the end of the video. We can keep the fish head and make something else with it. Put the fish in the curry one by one slowly. Sometimes I use hilsa, shallow fried in mustard oil with some turmeric powder and salt. Otherwise, hilsa will become hard and won't taste good. Hilsa is famous for its soft flesh. Add salt, 2 teaspoons. The second teaspoon of salt is not captured here. Add the fried brinjals. Put the brinjals on top and allow the fish to be submerged in the curry so that the fish cooks well. Add water, 1 cup, because I think I need more curry or jol. Thus, I have added water, 3 cups in total. Cover with a lid. Hold the 2 ends of the pan and shake it so that the ingredients get mixed without touching the fish. Hilsa is a very delicate fish. Cook for 15 minutes in high heat. After 15 minutes, switch off the gas. Open the lid. This is how the curry looks. Add green chilies, 4 slit in the middle. The oil is floating on top of the curry. This means the curry is cooked well. Cover and shake again. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves about 10 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.